Master administrative assistant skills. Essential training for job success without previous experience. This training program is designed to equip individuals with the essential skills needed to succeed as an administrative assistant. Introduction. In-demand role. Administrative assistants are essential in many industries, supporting various departments and tasks. Variety of tasks. This role encompasses a wide range of responsibilities, from communication to organization and technology. Career advancement. Mastering these skills can lead to career growth and opportunities within organizations.
What is an administrative assistant? Office support provides administrative, clerical, and organizational support to individuals or teams within a company. Communication Hub manages communication channels, including phone calls, emails, and correspondence. Problem Solver assists with various tasks, handles inquiries, and resolves issues efficiently.
Key skills for success. Communication skills. Effective verbal and written communication for clear and concise interaction with colleagues, clients, and superiors. Time management skills. Prioritizing tasks, managing deadlines, and efficiently allocating time to maximize productivity. Organizational skills. Maintaining a well-organized workspace, managing files and documents, and creating efficient systems. Communication skills. Active listening, paying close attention to understand the message being conveyed, and asking clarifying questions. Clear written communication, crafting well-written emails, reports, and memos that convey information accurately and professionally. Professional phone etiquette, maintaining a professional tone, answering calls promptly, and handling inquiries efficiently. Interpersonal skills, building rapport, working effectively in teams, and fostering positive relationships with colleagues. Time management skills. Prioritization, identifying high-priority tasks and allocating time accordingly to meet deadlines. Planning and scheduling, creating schedules, setting reminders, and using time management tools to stay on track. Task delegation, distributing tasks appropriately to other team members or colleagues to improve efficiency. Organizational skills. File management, creating a system for storing and retrieving documents efficiently. Data entry, accurate data entry into spreadsheets and databases, ensuring information is up to date and reliable. Record keeping, maintaining organized records, including meeting minutes, correspondence, and project documents. Computer proficiency and software skills. Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, project management software. Asana, Trello, Monday.com, communication and collaboration tools. Slack, Zoom, Google Meet. Handling phone calls and emails. Prompt response, answering calls and emails promptly and professionally, creating a positive first impression. Effective communication, conveying information clearly and concisely, resolving inquiries, and providing assistance efficiently. Message management, organizing messages, forwarding to appropriate recipients, and maintaining a clear communication flow. Document management, filing systems, creating and maintaining organized filing systems for easy document retrieval. Scanning and digitization, converting paper documents to digital format for easier storage and accessibility. Digital organization, organizing digital documents into folders and subfolders for efficient storage and retrieval. Scheduling and calendar management. Organizing your time effectively is crucial for productivity and efficiency. This module will cover key concepts and strategies for scheduling and calendar management, helping you stay on top of deadlines and appointments. Basic accounting and bookkeeping, tracking expenses. Maintaining accurate records of all financial transactions is essential for business decision-making. Reconciling bank statements. Matching bank records with internal financial records ensures accuracy and helps identify discrepancies. Preparing financial statements. Understanding balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements provides a clear financial overview. Handling office equipment, printers, and scanners. Understanding the functions of printers and scanners, including paper handling, troubleshooting common issues, and maintaining optimal performance. Copiers and fax machines. Familiarizing yourself with operating copiers and fax machines, including paper loading, settings adjustments, and resolving malfunctions. Phones and communication systems. Mastering the use of office phones, including call forwarding, voicemail setup, and utilizing intercom systems. Professionalism and workplace etiquette, punctuality and attendance. Arriving on time for meetings and work commitments demonstrates respect for colleagues and clients. Communication and collaboration. Communicating effectively and respectfully with colleagues, clients, and superiors builds strong relationships. Professional appearance. Maintaining a neat and appropriate appearance reflects professionalism and enhances your credibility. Respect for others. Treating all individuals with respect, regardless of their role or background, fosters a positive work environment. Problem solving and critical thinking define the problem. Clearly identify the issue, gather relevant information, and understand the root cause. Generate solutions, brainstorm potential solutions, consider different perspectives, and evaluate the feasibility of each option. Analyze and evaluate. Weigh the pros and cons of each solution, assess potential risks and benefits, and choose the most effective approach. Implement and monitor. Put the chosen solution into action, monitor its effectiveness, and make adjustments as needed. Multitasking and prioritization. Task management prioritization. Utilizing task lists, calendars, and project management tools to organize and track activities. Categorizing tasks based on urgency, importance, and deadlines, ensuring high-priority items are addressed first. Breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps to improve focus and efficiency. Delegating tasks when possible, assigning responsibilities to appropriate team members. Handling confidential information, confidentiality agreements. Understanding and adhering to legal and ethical obligations regarding data privacy and protection. Secure storage, using password-protected files, encrypted storage, and physical security measures to safeguard sensitive data. Secure communication, employing secure email protocols, avoiding sharing confidential information over unsecured channels, and using virtual private networks, VPNs, when necessary. Customer service skills, active listening. Paying full attention to customer concerns and needs, showing empathy and understanding. Problem solving, identifying and addressing customer issues promptly and effectively. Finding solutions that meet their expectations. Communication skills, communicating clearly, concisely, and respectfully, using appropriate language and tone. Event planning and coordination planning. Defining the event's purpose, target audience, and desired outcomes. Setting a budget and establishing a timeline. Logistics, securing venue, catering, entertainment, and other necessary resources, managing vendor relationships, and handling logistics. Marketing and promotion, creating promotional materials, coordinating marketing campaigns, and managing guest registration. Execution on-site coordination, managing guest flow, ensuring smooth operations, and resolving any unexpected issues. Post-event follow-up, sending thank you notes, gathering feedback, and evaluating the event's success for future improvement. Introduction to project management. Project planning, defining project scope, objectives, and deliverables, creating a detailed project plan, and allocating resources. Team management, building a high-performing team, assigning roles and responsibilities, fostering communication, and promoting collaboration. Learning the company's operations and culture. Understanding your company's core values, mission, and business operations is crucial. It provides a framework for success. You'll understand how your role contributes to the larger picture, enhancing your sense of purpose and engagement. Building a positive work environment, create a welcoming atmosphere. Start with a smile, greet colleagues, and build positive relationships. It sets the tone for a supportive work environment. Embrace collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work. Contribute positively, share your ideas, and support others. Collaboration builds a stronger team. Respect boundaries. Everyone needs their space. Be mindful of personal boundaries. Respect colleagues' time and privacy. It fosters a positive work environment. Networking and building relationships. Attend events. Connect with colleagues at company events, conferences, or workshops. Engage in conversations and build connections. Join committees. Volunteer for company committees or projects. It's a great way to meet new people and learn about different areas of the company. Socialize. Participate in social activities or team outings to build relationships outside of work. It fosters a sense of camaraderie. Stress management in a fast-paced role. Prioritize tasks. Create a daily to-do list and focus on the most important tasks first. Break down larger projects into manageable steps. Take breaks. Step away from your desk for short breaks throughout the day. Get up, move around, or take a few minutes to stretch. Seek support. Don't hesitate to ask for help from colleagues or your supervisor when you're feeling overwhelmed. It's okay to lean on others. Job search strategies for administrative assistants online job boards. Utilize websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Monster to search for relevant job openings. Company websites. Check the career pages of companies you're interested in to see if they have any open administrative positions. Networking, attend industry events, connect with people in your field, and inform them about your job search. It's a great way to find hidden opportunities. Gaining experience and professional growth. Take courses, enroll in online courses or workshops to enhance your skills in areas like Microsoft Office, project management, or communication. Seek mentorship. Find an experienced administrator who can provide guidance, advice, and support as you navigate your career path. Volunteer, offer your administrative skills to nonprofit organizations or community groups to gain valuable experience and expand your network. Advancing in your administrative career, seek promotions within your company. Gain certifications or specialized training and expand your skill set in areas like project management or social media management. Develop your leadership skills by taking on additional responsibilities. Network with other administrators and stay informed about industry trends. Become a subject matter expert in a specific area related to your role.
Challenges faced by administrative assistants. Time management. Juggling multiple tasks, meeting deadlines, and prioritizing requests can be challenging. It's important to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Communication. Communicating clearly and effectively with colleagues, clients, and supervisors is essential. It's important to develop strong communication skills and active listening. Technology. Staying up to date with the latest technology and software can be demanding. Continuously learning new tools and programs is crucial. Conclusion: your path to success. By actively learning, building relationships, and managing challenges, you can forge a rewarding career as an administrative assistant. Your dedication and hard work will contribute to your professional growth and success.